What's going on? What are you doing with your phone?
I am wondering, how can you evaluate your oral health using artificial intelligence?
Now, what is artificial intelligence?
Artificial intelligence means
Hold on. No Google answers, okay? Explain me the way you would explain it to your parents. Now tell me.
artificial intelligence means giving some responsibilities to a machine to perform some duties in order to reduce human effort.
For example, after watching any YouTube video, you get recommendations from YouTube automatically without any human intervention.
And there is no one sitting in the back office and suggesting you the YouTube videos.
That sounds easy.
Dr. Vidhi and her husband Rajat were contributing to the blogs on internet and spreading information about oral health.
They understood the problem and identified a gap, and soon co-founded a company called Dental Dost. Just like us. Welcome to Life Loosened Up. This is your host Katie,
And Nupura
where we spread the awareness
and share the conversation.
with the hope of making small changes in someone's life. This is how Dental Dose app works.
Number 1. The user has been asked to upload the intraoral images on the app.
Number 2, machine learning technology does the assessment and sends the result.
Number 3. Dental Dose is manned with a full-time dentist who verifies the results and consults you.
We guide patients in a guided template wherein they can upload the photos of their oral cavity. The template is made so easy that even a layman can click his photos by his own or can even ask someone else to help with the photos. This is just one screen which I will be showing as an example. This is the front aspect. Likewise, we have 5 angles of the oral cavity wherein the patient can just place this in front of the mirror and click images at his convenience and get the diagnosis within seconds. So after clicking photos in 5 angles in a guided template, the patient gets instant result in this format, wherein he can see what is wrong with his oral cavity, if there are stains, malaligned teeth, missing teeth, etc. After this is done, he can either directly connect to a dentist and discuss more about what has been found in his oral cavity or book an appointment to the nearest dental dose partner in his locality. This revolutionary technology is the result of machine learning model that we have trained over thousands of images, which have now made it possible for your phone to be a dentist.
Wait a minute!
But I have a question. Did they do it all by themselves?
If you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, then go together. Dental Dose brings together software developers, data scientists, digital entrepreneurs, public health specialists, and a copywriter. You know what they have in common? A desire to help more, do better, and work smarter. Don't be afraid of challenges because they will take you to the next level.
Even in this case, of course they had some challenges.
So there were many struggles, right, when we started building dental dose from both patients and doctors' perspective. Now from patients' perspective, if you see medicine in general, it was not accepted as in a telehealth manner across India. For any related things like for finances or for other departments, people had got used to the teleway. But for telehealth, it was very difficult, especially in the dentistry domain. So right from guiding people in that manner, having that kind of mindset that you can get the first step of teleconsultation in dentistry right from the comfort of your home was the first challenge.
And on the doctors front, right, medical fraternity in India is not really acceptable to the technological revolution. So that's one big problem we face, getting dentists to work with us, because we want to create a healthy ecosystem, and without the dentist in this ecosystem, the ecosystem is not complete, right? Third, on the technical front, one of the struggles that we faced is there is no data available about intraoral images. So we actually had to go on the field to collect the data. So that was third and most critical problem that we were able to solve just by investing 1.5 years and a lot of efforts by everybody in the team.
Are you pumped up? Here are the tips from them to start your own company.
Number one, I would say, if you have any kind of idea, just start with it. Ideation is just 5% of the entire game. 95% is obviously execution. And don't keep just thinking about all the problems that you would face once you start. Once you start, you would eventually know where to pivot, what are the problems you're struggling. So just start.
and work on the prototype. Try it out in your close circle. So basically create a user group and validate if the problem that you're trying to solve, does it really exist and does it really have addressable market size that requires a lot of efforts from everybody in the team and yourself, right? Third, most critical, go lean. When you're starting up, keep your expenses bare minimum. Try and build something, try it out with a controllable user group and then expand.
And be consistent. Consistency is everything.
Yeah, consistency.
There would be
yeah.
days where you're having very best time, but there would be days, they are very rough and very bad days. So just don't give up, keep going on, and I'm sure that you definitely will find solutions. We want to rid all of India of dental problems.
And with our technology, we are sure we actually can.
Dental Dose, delivering smart oral care.
Thank you for watching this video.
If you like this video, please hit the like button
Please share this video.
and subscribe to our channel
Life Loosened Up.